Enjoy the view of this 2023 Hyundai Kona. Here's a Hyundai Kona, the connected and versatile SUV that brings a fresh sense of adventure to every outing. You'll love the advanced safety features and easy-to-use touchscreen infotainment this right-sized subcompact crossover offers, not to mention its comfortable cabin and agile ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, backup camera, keyless start, electronic stability control, heated front seat, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, rear spoiler. Feel the freedom to have fun when you're behind the wheel of this spirited Kona. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.